In today's video, we will take out the fender of 2010 Toyota Corolla. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Now, let's jump into the process. First, we will take out the mudguard, and for that, we will turn the tire to make the process a little simple. Using a Phillips screwdriver, take out the first screw. Then take out a clip which is in the middle. And finally, take out the screw on the top. Once two screws and the clip is taken out, notice the mudguard is still holding its ground. Notice there is one more screw underneath the mudguard, and we will need to take out that screw as well. Screw is out. With that, we are done taking out the mudguard. In my case, the car had an accident, so I am missing some clips. We'll point out the areas where you need to take out some other clips. One is right there that you need to take out. The other clip is in the middle, followed by taking out another clip from the bumper side. Make sure you take out all these clips. There are 3 in total. Assuming you have taken out those 3 clips in the perfect world, now behind the mudguard there are some clips that we also need to take out. Here I am using a door upholstery remover. Clip is out. Now slightly pull out the fender liner from the mudguard side. There is a plastic cover that we need to pull out. You can just drag it outwards. There are no clips attached to it. Behind the plastic cover, there is one 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. I'll be taking it out with an impact gun and 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Screw is out. Now we need to take out the plastic rocker panel cover. Again, using door upholstery remover here to take out the clip which is attached with the fender. Clip is pulled. Now we open the door, and towards the rocker panel side, we will take out one more screw, followed by taking out another screw which is a little ahead using the Phillips screwdriver. We closed the door and tried pulling the rocker panel cover down, but there is still something holding onto it. Turns out there are some clips that we need to take out from the underneath side. In my case, I'm only taking out 2 clips. I think that will be enough and will do the job. Once 2 clips are out, notice the rocker panel cover can be taken down, and we have enough access to take out that screw. It is a 10mm screw that we need to take out. With that screw, we are done from this side. Now we will jump onto the bumper side. Because of an accident, I cannot demonstrate taking out some clips and screws. Make sure to take out a clip or a screw from top side. Then take out the bigger clip from the middle, and take out a clip or maybe a screw from the bottom side. Assuming all the clips and screws are taken out, now we slightly pull the bumper outwards. Notice there are some 10mm screws that we need to take out. Start off taking out the first screw from the headlight side. I think there is one screw that comes here from the other side. In my case, I'm missing, so make sure you take it out in your case. Then take out another screw which is in the middle. After taking out screws, notice the fender is losing its grip. Now we will open the hood and take out some screws from the top side. We'll take out the first 10mm screw from the headlight side. This car has an accident, so the tap for the headlight is broken. Then take out another 10mm screw which is right besides. Moving ahead, take out one more screw. Right besides the side mirror, there is a plastic cover that we need to pull out using a trim remover tool. And notice behind there is one 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. Now the final screw is behind windshield wiper cowl, and we have to lift this wiper cowl a little bit in order to take out that screw. Since this car had an accident, so the hood hinge is actually blocking the windshield wiper cover cowl. That's why I'm not able to pull it up completely. But in your case, if you're trying to take out that final screw, make sure you pull the windshield cover cowl from the corner and then take out that screw. Since I'm stuck here, what I will do is I will lift this up like this, and then I will try to take out that final screw. With that, all the clips and screws are completely taken out, and we are done taking out the fender completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.